In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on apps over here. Now choose App Cloner and tap on any app you wanna clone. If you wish to clone one of the recommended apps, you can find them over here. Tap on Create App Clone, wait, and then adjust those two options. Rename App Clone if you wish to change its name, and the default app to open to decide if you wish your phone to always ask which app to use, always launch original app or app clone. Now when we go back to check it out, Facebook is here and it was successfully cloned. If you ever want to delete this clone, go back to the same section in settings and tap on blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Hit delete and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!